Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 camera black screen problem. First method is click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Camera, turn on camera access, also turn on let apps access your camera. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps and Features. Type Camera, click Advanced Options. Click Repair, after same problem exists click Reset. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshooting, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Store Apps. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand camera, right-click camera, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand camera, right-click camera, click Uninstall Devs, click Scan for hardware changes. Sixth method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand HKey local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows Media Foundation, click and expand platform. Type enable frame server mode, change value data to 0. Change value data to 0 and close and exit registry editor. Seventh method is open any browser. Type with manufacturer name. Click Browse all products. Click Drivers and Downloads. Select Camera Driver, click Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.